McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share.
Hello and welcome to McBrown's kitchen. And Diana Pede. I'm winning dada. Na nama McBrown me jardin ye. Me kitchen me deco baby me pay anytime. As long as I'm a guest, I be ready so be welcome me. Ane McBrown's kitchen. Diana Pede. My catch said this season yen nam sa into namu kumase no. Yaba back to Accra. And then a special episode because you know every day is so special. Na nama McBrown. Obio baba is real and ready to cook for you and me. What I basically mean medi, but normal. McBrown's kitchen, high sense sadaroma, and I'm timid bro. High sense everyday prices for everyday people. And son of royal aroma rice. Yes, and more what just so na announce you there. And the 90 omega-3 sunflower oil, DB na wow. Tasty Tom. More jollof. Inti say dear for spices also dear and Minazen food spices. Na Mada boafo akese dia wi and my family home me call it simple but normal she collection and adwudwa me and a chocolate hair affect me hair aligina na fix me me say ye bedidi say ye nyefie aduane na ye order akese restaurant didi nyonyo Inti hwehwe nyonyo akira kwa on social media. Me pa cho me da La Palm Royal Beach Hotel ase. Udi jumana hotel akese support wa. No on se bebia ayedin yama. Ansa na apple pie publicity. Me do massive for billboard ahodo o ma ya cheme. Na na McBrown. Me twam hu sesi aba me ba pe. McBrown's kitchen. Me ami ni aba me bia na eba so. Video. Brim.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy. Mommy, this is hard.
And 7 + 2 is 9.
Mommy, you're always right.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
High sense, everyday price.
World Cup no dey am qualify. Let's say I no interest yet me shebi. High sense TV wo we. Yeah, let's share na ya share clear. 28th April, I copy World Cup na wiye. High sense TV bia, size bia. Ya titus wa ma say. Eno na waka no. Say, who? High sense dear. Wo dia asemo. Me dia ni ji semasan ya ba. Bora high sense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Toby, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder. Free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 dear. What show high sense TV so na for? NFL. TV ya what am 5 years warranty dear. High sense na dey buy yo. Na da so chia. Hisense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. Ababi asa would menazen food spices. What do you wear here? Say what to and say we aduane wo fie wo bia ebe di aduane adwen sa. Na school feeding for ye nkwala di. Na mu bia oma filia. Menazen wo bia ni wo besma jo customers. What
Obia pade pa bebre.
I want bebre.
I'm home.
Me dear, adepa bia ye ma mabusua no me pɛ no bebre enu nti eba na aduane no ade a me use tasty tom and rich tomato mix enya aduane no de keke o enyane no bi te say vitamins and fiber a ye ma nipadua no wo mu when you nechi die bio na me hwehwe
More jollof.
More
so say we super use enriched tasty tom, tomato mixer, vitamins and fiber womu. Tasty tom, mediane yede, yema also. Wow, McBrown's kitchen, Diana Pede. Someone mo share the makukura besi we ya. Me be tiesi me be wonu pam. Na nyam na me ba bewo. Ene me nimi nua ba ma bia ye hia na wa hu say ye nim ye ho akasa. Wa bre wa adwuma mu say de ma bre ni bi. Wa hu ye kan what so wa gi bebre. E de bi o na me nka bi ansa na wa hu no. Ye friend Prince. Fadi akaso so e. Prince David Osei. Do not friend Prince David. Whenever young kwa urade
Devo.
Yeah, Devo. Video. Yo, Sniper D. Sniper D. AKA Video. Hey, I don't know boys, the girls feel because hey, obi do one dance I just see. Nancy, I think some kind of movie be a real movie.
Yeah, I
saw the pictures and that then. Obi ni movie, obi because I'm here with Prince David Osei video. Now I'm say wow. Sana ka ukwa na ochre ho a. So
humility.
Devo.
You see a
Welcome to McBrown's kitchen.
That's it.
My kitchen is
beautiful. And wow.
And your mamma fat were drawing here. Na yenya space. Na yemme way fufu. Devo akwaba.
Bedas.
Wouldn't be a samre. Young way and sa quick.
Me want my water and I say.
Oh, that's how you're comfortable there. It's so good to know how I do say a heat come name.
Action and renew.
Action and you because you be call your way and sape near home.
Oh, okay.
Listen now the mamma no. They go and one my
I do be there.
And one tino.
And the best way no. Okay.
Have a day. Wow. Devo. You be fufu me boy.
Sharp. Any light soup. Good.
Yam boy ingredients in this way.
Okay. So we goat meat.
That
ponchinam papa.
Yes.
We monko.
And monko no
shrimps.
Yes.
We a
kakedro.
And we garlic.
Yes.
We say
salt say
we banchi. And I wear
broad dear come sanity.
In your door, ameko Jane tasty tom. And I will know I know like beside to the best friend Techie berry. Let's say that one for the tree ma or then a broth dinner by a consus. Was in your and red fish. Come on. Let's say goat meat alongside red fish. Na shrimp swabem. Let's say fufu ni. Voila. Devo. Say Ghana fire ready. Show. When we say na fine boy wey you bet me ayen kwan. Ana over shock you. Oh, me.
Obey your own.
Me bon kwan.
All right. Enti me waja me ensan, me so de ayen ma.
Se say ne be ye the way no. Ye be boil nyadwa no ni to me bet me man bibia.
Me ma wa de dodo. Me so ja no ma.
So when you are on that,
ya wo bibia ho kama.
Okay.
Bibia ye wash. Ya wo bibia ho kama.
Acho menya sikai.
Na wait me nya. It is a kind of.
Okay.
When we treat your man, I say another.
Make up.
Over pattern. Okay. Me de ye no wa hanti no.
Oh, okay.
Me shensuo ya ma. Na say ye be no ye meko.
Any nyadua.
Ene ma ye no ani nyina no. Ebe ko ho. Okay. David Prince Osei.
No,
McBrown's kitchen. Our bon quine. It's in David fans. Monja no, why busy?
Yeah, mingu menu wasikra.
Ongu menu wasikra. It's the way you never could just one. Okay. You been one nyina boom. At once, immediately by force. Okay.
Tomatoes be main part.
Okay. Nice, I'm a corner there, depending, do a hope. And I remember quite the annoying.
No, she okay.
I know she home. It's the infant just way. Okay. Prince David Osei, Sniper D, the ladies' man. Now, Prince, say, spark. Now, what far was on?
Say, I don't market, no.
Me no, I know the day.
I don't market.
Passion market today.
Say, what's my dear? So, I so keep it shape.
Okay.
Now, actions now more because when you put belly, a be hydrogen. Keep shape.
Nice, I been what we are man. No,
I said, I am man almost almost per member. So more hagi or more. Almost feel it almost see line.
A man no per member.
So, oh, hagia. Oh, feel it waistline, oh, feel it. And Tina was saying,
so man hagi must say,
oh, feel it, Bibio.
Me feel it, Bibio. It is anonymous certificate on.
I know the market, no. Yes, I'll be better.
Sir. Okay,
say no.
Yeah, quite any kind of level. You concentrate on.
I say I can't now. Or system.
You be steaming. I'm not as I come on. I review. Obezo mutie. Obi maso. My brass getting her. Obua. Debo Yahoo BBM mu come.
Okay.
Yahoo BBM one more come. Ye the any sell beba be kika bo major.
But you be blend you in so. Garlic ni jane ni.
You be blend garlic jane ni ade. Okay. The garlic ne be kan ho. Jane ni so be be me wa.
Be chucha jane.
Okay. Intino. Won kwa dey as shabu pa. Be man
kwa dey no in delay too much.
No delay.
Yeah, sharp.
Yeah. And no me boa.
Okay.
Me boa nti masoja na ma no so be to me alcohol.
Okay.
Blending dem ye ho ade. E na me ya support mo.
Me de nam na gum.
Chasa yan kwan na na busuafo egusu ayeye no.
Prekese bi refi enti. Your prekese so asia me de kakra be be steamy we.
Enkwan na ye be na refi prekese ka ho. Basa na o was classroom nti ye rent me fi.
Ana won kuruma so kakra.
Ye won kuruma so kakra. Na prekese no ye de be den sese.
Ye de steamy na no kakra.
Yeah, the prekese no steaming nam no kakra.
Yeah, me check kakra na just.
Oh, okay. Na tse se busu afọ da bia hu se prekese no. Ye totun ya tuma na se twitwa ne but that is when enkwan no cry ya abene no. But then there ne there. Ene nam no ikomu sesi ya.
Me the steaming kakra na amani flavor. What do you say?
Matias, Devo. Yeah. Devo, I think it's a fake.
I feel like
wow. And you're not there. Me bedi nkwaya nkasa. Ya nam ne koja so. Inti no ya blendi Ye Jane ni bibia so awie. Wo hwegu anaka ma ho kakra ma.
Oh, okay.
Wow. I was for mo hwe ya many Prince David Osei. Yeah, but light soup the goat meat na ya the fish ebe sauce ketino into no as aye kono ube hu how Prince method no so eko nti the way say ye nam ne koja so ho
aka me the tasty tom no kakra be ka ho just
oh okay tasty tom kakra ebe ko aponchi no a
aponchi kakra no
aponchi ne di garlic ni ginger ni jene
any prekese
kakra abo ase no aponchi no in the mix yo sase afafra no tasty tom so kakra ebe konkwan ni mama say ne de ne nani no aye fe
enye stew ni eno anti
kakra o ti dey
enye stew ni eno no kwan
no we dia ka wi abetete ahye fridge mu kama nti no so wo hwe yen ya David Prince Osei Sniper D
that's it
PDO na PDO na ade
Prince David Osei Prince David Osei no any PDO no
and Sniper lead so Sniper D no so
Sniper D na quite say a code name
okay
so me be obi hu me
okay
o jira no ma be wan na we twahwe ohu baby a bullet ni free
say wow
and on sniper no unpredictable
you are right
unassuming
you are right because we yan time which other ba movie ni yan time out me blow up sir
ni nyina nyame
sawo
ready
David no I think so talent no so ka ho what do you want say
talent can ho but mostly no ni say what start BB sa na yan want to ma obebre so me no me feel say a favor from God acceptance because me start here in the net so I know him sometimes we encourage me the cake na omo person ma me kwanka I say boy we free now when you wanted in the buy all of a sudden
producer Bernard buy when be
that's me really gonna me name Musana eja minya 1 or 2 rows be and I justify myself
the boy ya den chine kakra beku enkwano na ebema no spices ni so be try minazena and I'm say you goat nintino
you be use
beef no
beef seasoning no
but bet me use fish because we are dealing with fish and I know be
we know yeah see be chiwe na you be fish na oh okay wow it's the minazen food spices ebema enkwan no dane na ayede ebema the flavor
ebema
bako ya na
bako ye
okay
so be use me say wonam ne doso ana
sometimes no me use bako sometimes
we betumi de nchine so asoso na ize onya o taste no nyina
enti ye betumi adwa banchine bode no
ye betumi adwa banchine bode asa wa bo ahu bi say na aba ize devo wa bo ahu woni abotire bi sa we betumi adwa dodo wow devo na me ti say wo clothing line
video clothing I had a lunch here
sa
Yanu mama ne the light of the day.
What do you mean by Yanu?
Na many boys been na ejuma mama. O say na me wo shop crowd jowro.
Yeah.
Perfect touch side on.
Yeah.
When I me call US. To me call US no. Guys in the nim said they buy.
Me Beman so I can do that right.
That's it. Ana eja shop I arrange the showroom like your baby
no cheche me muye now we shop for Jowulu yeah perfect touch in chow
echi honum the palm near money whatever
okay
and I call US me go di be 4 months that time me come by na I mean boys ne kasara what's going on ne wait me come by na we will feel na madam for French ni we friend me no so onam me shop no anymore na if anything me painty honum now is looking good now I'm sure me painty honum I know say and then I me purchase me painty honum now honum we I'm saying no me shop ni there
me paint you. Maybe he's at the wrong second
place. Just a style and no dear Jaman, you know. Who cry? What Jaman, reverse shot. Of course, it's I will run off on an entry. Hey,
and I got an issue, Charlie. And I'm saying no, and near me shop no one. And I'm kind of okay on the Mayba. When I made me, dear, me could do on me, could do on them now. You're so around the shop. I must see me made to quite into a machines in near my knock call, main house. So I know I rent shop number will be for. Oh, yeah.
Prince David Osei. And on this has a wedding.
Oh, yeah. It's a copy of Kutubabi police station, Michi boys 9 million wage. Back in a friend, Enoch.
Okay.
Anna, me arrested, no. So that time, no. You see, if you ran a court Brazil, it was during the Brazil World Cup. So I used to wait, so I'm baby. Chimichi boy, then I'm a chin, mammy. And they do Mokotu, but later on, we ask Kanomuti because when back on a more renty shop, no man, no to say.
Or new in the agreement.
Also on the Monte became a civil case now, you know. Mammy, yeah, be Coco police station, the court will be who are Montiase.
Nice investments, na cow.
And I call sir. So if you normally na say no me people be me kwa buchana.
What distribute?
Yeah, my dear. Yeah. And I say so fashion shows, Canada, okay. Europe, yeah. So mainly that's how I've been doing it.
Wow. Now say me who wa brochepa o Prince. What it mo?
So
hey.
You say na call say.
Me see me nua be me hwe ne bo. We used to watch them, man. Already, and what just I admire you. I admire man. Yet proud.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, because what, bro?
Oh, boys are very.
Me know what picture be graveyard.
Oh, Debbie. Me who picture no internet.
Nana me so ma funu pa.
That's I can see.
I see abo. Oh, right.
Was it 2 weeks ago? We did 2. Instagram. Me who picture I'm saying
I know how pa.
Can see you. Onu si be Prince David.
Hey.
Anna, so we need to catch across now international way now.
David, na time ben na dey akwanso so anu bebem.
Also Revi.
So.
I said they can't wait.
Inti amfa kan we ho. Enkomo na your fault. Kaya ben so ba ye be ma no mre kakra.
So if you are blending in now.
Yeah, blending in now, no. Now who say the level is different. Level are two more. I must say we know here you must say. Oh, also an international standard.
Yeah, but in Ghana no. I call it also industry called from Kakra.
Me the teacher in the show.
Industry called from Kakra and I call it ultimate charge producers no. Like the way you normally charge, we're all trying to revive the industry and bring it back. Like the way I know vibrant, I would say, who should train, I would say the next week, who should continuously. And
wow, Devo, still fufu, ain't you ready? Wow, and to say, your body and my tonight ready. Young qua over here, I'm sure it's a sad radio, Consusan and your man swabbing. Oh, sir. I did go na bene. Yes. Intia de beson and the bank so ready if you go home.
Me fengu.
Fegu na me swewe ne ma.
Me den chine kakra be ka we ho.
What did you kakra be
I didn't am friend chine gum no because of seasoning.
Okay.
So and chine so wonchi. What did chine be go ran na akotwem.
All right, say be me na o kana no ahwe say. Ninchini ni yoke a abusuafo enema amanu anyina no divorce hunsuo me nsone ma no because what the begu nkwan ni mu back eno ne anwodi dro ni ntino man fancy anu anka se ma hwe hunsuo gu hunsuo no nyina sin uze go bi won nko no anko be hwe hunsuo na gu
David you say you will use later
hunsuo no later wow na say jeni no aye no Intos na ye no sa control one nyina ni kwa se o ma hode no fa kra be den e be sin twam ekojaw okay ewo mame fa ayisi ha Mami transfer fufu no brahama.
Oh, okay.
And
we know your friend.
Enya kwan yes, obecho fish so be
bia. Spicy fish.
Also it.
Spicy fish no.
Oh, okay. Also for your transfer. Hi.
It's allowed.
Is that kitchen oh.
Okay.
Said yeah. Who of you know? Sa na you have to be natural. So the one also have a yediana.
I should do me light one.
I should do light one. But normal. And tina kitchen no. Uko jadi I show be do. And tina kitchen no. It's always hot. Your fish no so
spice no.
Yeah, but spicy fish.
Minazin, Hamta and Sons.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Food spices. Hamta and Sons for the back.
Beautiful.
A buy entino.
We have a blended.
Aye. Me yama wa be mana. Blending the show you pa no de me ya de me de bo bia. Nti me nja o mo ni be bo abi. Nti ya den say spicy fish no.
Spicy fish no.
Wow. Devo, yes, spicy fish. Yeah, said Prince David Osei. Meaning say industry, they will brave more ankasa.
Madam.
And then you wadom. Now we are say, how did you get it? Oh, brave na. Oh, your mama need that phone be ana.
Be me a hustler from the one.
Mama and nanani phone be. A job will be
hustlers because growing up, not your Dawson. 5 boys, 2 girls.
Okay.
Wow, she can say a teacher.
5 boys, 2 girls. Wow.
Now, I'll say a word now.
We have 5.
You please here.
Whoa.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, my bonnie.
And no, my kitchen the accident. This is
my bonnie. Okay. Inti nsuo no ene eja wo ho no. Nkwan ne ho nsuo no.
Growing up no like
Oh, area by Accra, Kumasi, Techima,
Coco
into Accra boy.
Ah, confirm.
Coco Memle short name here.
Kiki.
Oh, now because they came.
There be Kiki. I bet FM. Area how after 8. Growing up, no Tiptoe Lane, Circle, Odorai,
yes,
Side Disco, Newtown, Mamobi, Kanda,
Now say you represent all the hood.
Sharp.
Who's the other way, Okay.
I'm
going to. And you're not crying. Even if it's
okay.
Hi.
We're nice omega-3
sunflower oil.
Oh, beautiful.
Yes. Nice.
It was tough, I think upbringing in the mom in the
You grew up with your parents?
Yeah, both father and mother, and we're all living together. And also I know.
When you ever kakrankan.
Oh, okay.
Into growing up with your parents, and then you're tough.
Yeah, because you're from this you need to fight for it. I just say a dozen 7.
Oh, okay.
You can't say a teacher and the be in your DNA. Say not accepting no, It's like you need to survive. Always eyes on the,
like
on the
fight.
Price. You fight survival of the fittest, ANT no, and ANT defeat.
Yeah.
You finally have a breakthrough. And one good thing, my parents, boy, me, Empire. Yeah, they taught me how to pray and how to believe in God's timing. So,
yes.
Whatever it is, and I celebrate people, I appreciate people, and meaning say my time so now so. But many you can lie.
Yeah. Nesio we na ye de bede. Se no a bi be kom. Okay, I'm quite there be bra be ka ho. Ti me mu a ho.
Yeah. Come do.
Oh, and I'm for cold one ni.
See. These are some of the good morals I demand. you're growing up.
Okay.
Always believe in yourself and believe in timing. Remember we need brew
and be prayerful.
That's it. Be prayerful. The bottom line is prayers.
Remember.
I be used to it.
Yes, on so. Well, this is the difference between.
Back be do on more.
Oh, some kind of the one now, your techniques be a division more kitchen. Intino. And when you who sir.
Oh, can you say she can't come to me?
I never was in a
light one. Say light soup and cheese.
Yeah.
You be a light, I knew.
Yeah. I'm quite classy and young shame, you know. It's you now.
Nyadwani is you know.
Nyadwani Jane and is you know. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Never been come
home.
Light one. Yes, I am quite now. Okay, and it's good to say son so, but it didn't do an abba. Okay. Into your conquine memoir.
Yeah.
Whoa. Hey, I was here for a light soup, Nona.
I said no.
I think some of my who can come. A light soup, Nona, I said no. Yeah. Prince David Osei. Yes. And then, Waba kitchen or bon quine. When choose a dianefo, but choose soon quine and quine and so dear. Oh, a man non do na a penny dear. Oh, moon penny.
I hope a rice water name.
Oh, moon penny a cry because Anna ran about no woman no doors.
You bet you fish now.
It's your fishing. Okay. You have a cheer fish, no?
I see I'm slow no.
And I won't penal. Oh, brother, my dear. Oh, my God.
Hannah said no one.
Hannah said no one.
Oh, Joe. Now we try mommy why.
Now, you don't see Jamus Abbey. And come on, free. Oh, what rather Prince. Which now Joe to be signal or castle.
Protection.
Yeah, three now.
Because space now, sir.
It's me for winter feeding. And 3 or 4 now, young point. Okay. The Yanya reserve. But then your food for the Suhu. And be.
That's what we know.
I've been with her. And be the my own you.
I think.
Me will drink. My shower chief fair. And so.
Hey.
Me refuge.
Yeah, I said Mexico.
Apple.
Which one is it?
Multifruiter.
Oh, okay.
Mixed fruits. Cheers. Cheers.
Tastes good. A drink, baby.
Apple juice.
Apple juice.
I was for yeah, we are doing no one so devil. I can't monko.
Monko no.
I know over giant and so no so be dealing with me.
Me who na me bubu mitini we na the campaign.
You be room monko no. Na wa bubu nitino. Na wa dey go nkwan. Hey. A prema for nkwan. Ja prema ni be ma what I say. Ana unkruma so wa ha o.
Meka.
Nkruma ni nie mekono wa wie de ode ye.
Yeah, mekono green pepper me use kakra.
Me use kakra. Egu nkwan ni.
So me use that.
Why not? Why not? Nkruma be ko sisi ana say oni later.
No.
Over later. And then command ba ya wie pepper no right? Ya wie mekono. Ya wie hadia. And ye be yin ni na. When you na beko. I'm saying so much. I was for mama manenya mo Devo, e wom sa utna kokomlemle. Ba wo free here ankaka.
Me asantini.
Asantini.
120%.
Wow. Asanti Grobeso.
Me ma me free Konongo.
Okay.
Papa free Asante be quiet.
Wow. Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm very serious.
But quite Kumasi Kotia Konongo. Just a way if you come and send you to Kumasi. And send ye cover this way, I said, Pio. Wa be quite any Kononwa branch. Any would try and quiet, no. Ya bunch and no, the Sija swing. I want a new tokoya. And check na yasui. Young quines on the Ashan Kama. Nan quine no man quine. One in your door, ni meko, ni jane akasie, and what they kind any in toast, consusa, and what they can. Na punch and noa, what they jane, ginger, precursor, any minazin, a seasoning
sharp.
We no sheni nyina the friends ingredients no said nsuo no de no aye no sensuo no ano de kan enkwan no de hunu ya or de agum ti won say you can understand him right. That's dramatic. And I hear fish so near the they were over you came you came but then any can some back home say monko nie obubu monko ni ti o en obubu yi kama obubu ni tine kama monko no wi a wo side no so begu
begu nkwan
we dey wan kire o kan kwan ade bia wonim so ba do nhyara ntra na
benku nyina me ka benku nyina o
sa
ka benku mi
debo jena me mo jena me yi ha ma wa
me ka benku mi e bibia
wow
ba me pesa me here because otaya na ko say say man e mo desa na ma cross mo na
ye penu de bia
mami ahenti me so me say de minimi no
and na why trick me nyina help you because ya chill say de oya nkwan enu ano no
baka we no
aka de ya
aka nkruma no na te say ya wie ye nkwan sekan ne da ba mena
ye abusuafo me fish no so na wada ne kama no because of 90 omega-3 sunflower oil ya chin kama ye nkwan so nie ane nkwan ne de monko na gugu ani no ponche nkwan pa na sija so no nti no ye banche su ebehu ame atua wo fufu edie devo owadro su na si ho no
my card
na owoma esunie
you want to become for no
nti McBrown's kitchen and anybody ankwan na de obawo
no
obawa mama kana obadi awoka
sana misu no mitimi kan wo
untimi kan wo but ubetimi awo edi
mitimi awo na medi
obawa no edi eno na McBrown's kitchen edi ane fede abusafo ye twa hu sesi aba said de ma kirem na nkwan na bia ne sadevo ubi bia kom
kwan be twa man fire kakra
me man fire mpa me man fire ye ne bi bia ka fisha uwi ade be kom meboa oboy light what me
da say
o twa nkwan
me da say
Snapadi Devo video. Yeah, commercial break. Yeah, was here. Hey, brim tim.
Darling, plain or check it?
Check it.
That is why I trust you.
Mommy, I can't find the other one.
Top left drawer.
I trust you, Mommy. Mommy, this is hard.
And 7 + 2 is 9.
Mommy, you're always right.
It's good to be trusted. Just the same way I trust Royal Aroma Rice to give me that perfectly cooked rice every time. At my restaurant or at home, I trust Royal Aroma Rice every time.
Everyday price.
World Cup no dey yan qualify. Let's say I no interest yet me hwe bi. Hisense TV wo hoy. Ya ba hwe na ya hwe no clear. Everything 8 April, I copy World Cup na wie ye. Hisense TV bia, size bia. Ya tete so ama mo say. Eno na waka no. Say, who? Hisense dia, wo dia asem o. Me dia ni ji semasan ya ba. Bora Hisense showroom bia. TV na ya tete so no. Ko Tobi, nenya o DSTV, Go TV, Kwese TV decoder free. The choice is yours. Russia 2018 there. What's your Hisense TV so there for? And TV I will tell you about 5 years warranty there. Hisense near the bio. Neda Suchia. Hisense, official sponsor of the 2018 FIFA World Cup. Hisense, everyday prices for everyday people.
Yeah, me don't for me. So baby, I will be as I want to say. Now then, mommy go to where you and go focus to baby. I am in a zen. I have food spices and none of us are taking in your we will have a chicken flavor, menazen fish flavor, menazen jollof flavor, lion nutmeg powder. A baby has a wood menazen food spices. What do you wear, dear? So, what one day, so we are doing with you will be a baby to a dear. I'm really sad. Na school feeding for you, but I pay no, we are on my feeling. Men and Zan will be any hope is my customers.
Oh, Pia, the puppy breed.
I'm home.
Me dear, at the pepia, Yama Mebusiano, me peno bebre, and Nuntia Banedian no idea. Me use so tasty tom and rich tomato mix. And yet, Dianeno decacule. And yani no bit is a vitamins and a fiber. A Yemeni pediano woman. When you nachi, dear Biona Meshe.
More jollof.
Emra so say we super use and rich tasty tom. Tomato mix of vitamins and a fiber woman. Tasty tom. E mediane yede. E yema also. McBrown's kitchen. Abusiafo. This is the time, the edition. The Didier time. What I say? You ready into the edition? Now, Mamini can find Asadama Abuafo, Royal Aroma Rice, Hisense, Tasty Tom, 90 omega-3 sunflower, and amino and food spices. Oman summer Sam in Niho. Yamin Sham sponsors pa. But McBrown's kitchen, say. Ye duane a ye wahano ebetia te se wa fiefiem no bia ye bi ene hwe Prince David nkwan a bebo devo come on oracle our contact in there o consult no wa blah. Thank you so much, Prince.
You're welcome.
Ma oni bi me wa seda bebre amesome de bema ene me se me nkwa achi ene ma wa nyina ye wo dia.
Oh, really?
There why you
Oh, I deserve some accolade.
Yes. And why no? I 90 omega-3 sunflower oil.
Oh, thank you.
And 1 hour the chi and bin.
Thank you.
And sana minazen food spices.
And they're cooking a bit more.
A bit more.
But also
spices ni na bi won flavors ni na.
But also me return. Yes, I was a rest of the be a bit more new.
Adabenya 1 pack in 2 slow.
Also me.
David.
Wow.
Where Royal Aroma Rice.
Thank you, Royal
Aroma. Hey, na ka senti me dey show. Me dey the best wa chi ho no. Ansana we enter for Hisense any tasty tom. Ni nyina ya company am no mu ye adwuma.
Oh.
Thank
you very much.
Hisense tasty tom.
Tasty tom.
Yes.
Appreciate.
Yem fancy wa chi ya.
Me dey show.
Hisense tasty tom. 90 omega-3 sunflower oil. Royal Aroma
perfume rice.
What's your say?
Yes, sir.
I don't know perfume rice. I'm a bong. And sana minazen food spices. Ninina debo. Ninina yo. Ninina yo because and now what boy and kwan for crowd.
It is enka and kwan and kuyanka. Minya ne mano. Ana.
Enka waba de bagana fo be jejo ai sanso na me de aseda e ma nyonyo food nyonyo fied nyonyo e wa East Legon say American House specialized building e ho na nyonyo wo Aligina so wo East Legon say Hisense nchen wa chic so wo East Legon what ya say ansa na chocolate head here or abrochire to other internet so be bia wo bia ye de bebrel La Palm Royal Beach yami shira mo samuso McBrown's kitchen ase and apple pie publicity yami shira mo pe obi bia ohwem yami shira but ye bedidi yeah babedi the edition
make me my shout out.
My shout out.
Okay, so this t-shirt is by Where's Zucchini?
Young
guy bia or Accra Polia we see so you know or ye hoodie or ye bibi or ye tracksuit.
Where's the chinny?
Where's the chinny?
Shout out to you, man. You know, time for the food. Time for the chopping.
So you're hurrying, so now.
Yeah, Europa.
My children.
Me no pa. Okay, we have me one extra, and you have. In South
It's here for so said that then I call no. I said, boys, did you? What did I say?
Prince David Osei.
That's it.
And then, what about Bommy? Upon Chin Quanya
against Redfish.
We say also been in your need until you would, dear.
I quite say, save yourself, Bissano.
Save yourself, aye.
Okay.
You would know near by Miss Minnie, dear.
That's it.
What I say, I'm quite a sunny. Wow. McBrown's
wow. Inquire me, no, I don't know.
Inquire, we know when you know. When you know, you're better testina. Maybe we are some remarks about. They will. Say Nkrumah too. Into the
for back.
But him said me pay me fish ya na oye ni. As what tete into him say. Just say.
Nkrumah me share.
On the room. Wo share bed oh. One now here you.
So me tasty ba me best me come for me home.
One now wow, you say mon ko ni bia ko say fish na say. Akwache de ko an say. And when you be a day, the women serve you on. Women serve. So, dear. Fish
no doja, and I said,
oh, Buakra, but what is the water?
Oh, Buakra.
Oh, Bebem. Said, they may pay me the Anna. Why am I inquiring you? Devo?
So
I'm on quiet.
I said it.
What a sense, no. I have one 10 and internet was your 4. Eden, I ever proud, ya, soon you be. Uncruman, how do you mean?
I said, that's so.
Okay, and I may far back. The way
I said to me, that's it.
And I'm more soup.
No, I'm good.
Manfabaco, and I mean, you make one of you.
I don't know,
Oh, Mom said, you're ready. Umbe pass your neddy. Oh, Buakra, I am, Mamma. Oh, come here, fine.
Oh, Nkrumah.
She. Hey, Nkrumah. I don't have any. Uncle Gronos when you. All right, Bushafo. Ya, sexy. Ya to ya puno wie. Ya to ya puno wie. Ye bedidi. Prince. E won't see a DDT, so by the fair be anymore.
Now, me, bro. I don't know what I say. I say me enjoy. What do I say?
I say
me enjoy.
Enjoyment. There be fair be anymore. McBrown's kitchen. Sure. Unu ni abane bedidi. That's wrong. Wow.
Ebe bompa.
Oh. Odun from Obron for te homa ya adum tie men. Wow. Monko ni bi nie.
Enkwa na edese. Ana midi na edese. Koyo.
Enkwa na de. Wo? Enkwa na de.
Enkwa na de. Dede na enkwa no.
Onkwa na de.
Dede ene enkwa no dede.
Aso wa chaka ba obua. You ready?
I see the style count.
Prince David. Devo. Also beginning with himself said. As on and I'm 10 no asa na be PS screen no they say Ghana for Ajewatu. No doubt. No doubt. Say Ghana for Ajewatu, no doubt. O secret pa no dey.
Hey, secret is the game count. Yeah, say secret.
Body no na o jeme ya no ntini Ajewatu
na. Oh, say go for be abochen. Baby, teacher, mama abochen. O
secret no dey, o dey ti ho kaka.
Secret lie to am the man we prayers and Bible. I know. Yeah, I know some people don't believe in prayers, but I do. And Bible, they made drew. There's finding humility. I know what bro wants it. You know.
Pioneer on that's it.
That's it.
And I didn't panam.
And a charity.
Wait. Empire on Brassier.
And a charity. Oh, Chawya do. Oh, Chad. And yes, Oko Chadia na. We are veggie headline. No, I knew there.
Where they want to look at it. You did answer.
Mainly Empire Ball. you know.
And I wouldn't know more.
And I'm the name. Mainly Empire.
Mainly Empire. Devo. Uni no kokomlemle. Accra boy. Baby, I know mate be show. Young boss could be me nubi and quiet. Ruby Sammy quite so early. And I'm Minnesota International.
Hey, Minnesota. Okay, me call the Youngsters International School. And I call Accra High.
Oh, okay.
And I call University of Ghana, Legon.
Okay. Now, because school so person we actra and na sem. Who baby we na divert here.
Na me person me law, but sometime no na LLB second way uba Legon a second degree. You see the them so in the first I could scratch me.
Okay.
And number person me law but me nya to me nya humanities. Theater arts, English, what's it called? Sociology. Na
feel the BPA.
Na me pay theater arts. Today be a drama studio. Na me pay arts. Na me stage performances.
What do you do?
That's it. Na me stage performances. No. To be about oh, very nice guy. Like could be me actor, you know.
Yeah.
Luckily, I'm okay. Kasana Medisha.
Who mate na ebi wa field necessity.
Oh yeah, Nadia was my mate. Na me in the Legon.
Oh okay.
Rosalind Giza.
Okay.
David Oscar. Giovanni. Giovanni na Caleb Giovanni
Wow. Devo. Say you who Chigakra. Are you doing anything new? Any
project?
Aside movies.
Oh, okay. Aside movie, no. So themselves say any past surviving.
Yeah.
So
I hope
my testimony, sir. But were you expecting this?
Oh no. Been trying to. Oh no.
I did not try me.
Kafra, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I think
now visit me to me no.
And Namin say yeah near show.
Oh, I see. But it's good you had that perception. Say,
oh, yes.
Sana my life in that.
And any other young one, but you're the winning, you're the winning, and come back.
No, but my life, sana here. I'm always unassuming, unpredictable. Sana, my life not correct.
So there were any new projects at the account?
Recently, because a movie view Italy, which was co-produced by me. November 9th film. 9th November, sorry. And PDO Production, which is my production company. NCBR, Yebe Premier. We are doing the what's it called? Post production.
Okay.
Yeah, and movie being so I'm a producer or America. Me need Joseph Benjamin, Nigerian actor, and Joseph Benjamin. Bayola, we titled American Hustlers.
Who produce you?
Yeah.
Meaning so a producer.
Yes. SE02 or Maryland, US.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, American Hustlers, a very big movie.
I know soon by
I know it's a big premiere in Ghana, US, UK, all over. A big premiere in hopefully summertime. Yeah, and another one titled Tribesmen.
Okay. Because there's a wood the foreign posters be actually
and also production travel US. So these are some of the projects are.
Well, so far, how many movies now Wawa produce?
My first major production was last night. And yeah, just me, one cast movie now. Yeah. Movie now, and I'll be producing some TV series before DSTV.
Okay.
So that's two. And
what's the name?
Swings. Omu show DSTV.
Yes, yeah.
No, they started showing it somewhere around 2015, 16.
Okay.
And American Hustlers.
Yes.
And Newsman.
Okay.
They coach out Italy, no. And a Tribesman. So far I've produced
like
five
five movies. Wow. But you are a director too?
No.
You haven't directed a movie before?
No. I've assisted in directing, bro. I'm a jack of all trade. If like you shoot too and I need to bring an input, mostly I assist, but I feel like I should just concentrate on the acting.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have foundation? Who will be?
PDO Foundation for the Needy. Yeah.
What do you do?
Launch, 2011. Normally, what we do is we help the less privileged ones, like for minima dia, or parents into me more school fees, and then conform here because obia to me approach so here more.
Yeah.
But what we do is we scrutinize them because obia here more, and sometimes you end up giving the help to people who don't really need it. Yeah. So.
I must say
that's what the foundation does, Video Foundation.
Oh, I know Instagram will be a DM.
Oh, they be a DM. It be for funny enough.
I can't pay my school fees
from Nigeria. Be in hostel. Sometimes I try to be so on maybe a control SAT, and maybe your money card. You pay with credit card.
Yeah.
And be on my.
Now we send a message from Nigeria say.
Oh, nice.
Obeso otongos here. The lucrative business pa now here.
We here capital.
I think it's about $2,000 or say $1,000. Yes.
To sell eggs. $2,000.
I'm calculating Nigeria and I'm here.
And then I couldn't impound.
And I'm the sister. Can't you ever to me and your mama? 2,000 will be no money.
But them say Nigeria no mitenya. It looks I don't know who says scam the dozen. Baby over surround people no more send a message. My hostel help me. I want to do this. I'm sure. And
that's me money. Back on the class on that tour. And a winner said DM when come here.
If you are going to memo, I'm a young guys. No more pretending like mothers and Nikunu, AJ, Juman, Koye.
Uncle, then Namna Benekama. Bia Danakum. They will, ye did by per se the uncommon query. Bibi Fufrobia, I per se who and I say. Bibi Fufrobia, Niho.
They should keep supporting the movie industry. And as we use car.
Umbrella. Talent in there, that's all.
Talent there, and there are a lot of upcoming, talents that needs to be nurtured and,
yes,
fixing the system. So if you have money and you love the movie industry, say the what you say, F. We're a big fan.
Yes.
We appreciate you. What we do support the industry. Home is 5.
No, our friend, no. PDO, David Prince Osei, and our Prince David Osei.
PDO.
And now I say Sniper D.
Said
you know one can be a becho. I say a becho. Because who buys a spy bin a banner what you say. The other coso yani pizza, the one ye no. And McBrown's kitchen. Yeah, the baby. But I want to say something to David. I love the way I would treat you, Obano. How you make me jealous, the way you and your boy did.
I saw me a trio.
Oh, my trio. Yes, said that uncle. Said oh, my name,
it's a thing of joy, We're a young guy now, so I give him all the love, I give him all the attention. And
302, Emma woman,
2 girls, 1 boy.
Ghana or abroad?
US.
US. When it down. I didn't hear you, 247. McBrown's kitchen. You can't get it wrong. The name commoning in head. I had a rebel my crime. Madame Abua for us high sense. Tasty Tom. Royal aroma rice. 90 omega-3 sunflower oil and Minazen food spices. We did in Anama McBrown. Prince David Osei and follow no Instagram. Facebook, baby, I be who no.
Oh, yeah, say. Well, follow me a while, but today.
Me, I'm a boy. When you're careful, I don't know the best. Pata pieces. And you did best here. Me patch on McBrown's kitchen. You were YouTube. That's so from beginning till Nadia will be showing. Ewo honum ma yenhia na o twensem ne ye de aduane pa ebebe wakwam ye de beba TV so amo ahwe na nkwan we de o se bobi wo fie me da ase brim
McBrown's kitchen aduane pedo McBrown's kitchen bring us so McBrown's kitchen aduane pedo McBrown's kitchen Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you my share. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen.